Hey there, welcome to part 3. More about my life. I lived in Taiwan from 1981 to 89. In 89, we moved to Hong Kong to set up quality assurance operations in China. We moved back to Taiwan from Hong Kong in 1992 and remained in Taipei until my retirement from Payless in 2005. We moved back to Hong Kong in 2005 and remained there until 2007, whereupon we moved back to the States. And I want to do a case study of a factory called Haifeng in Guangzhou, China. This is a factory that Payless did business with. I had lunch with the CEO, Albert Wang, one day at the Taipei Howard Plaza Hotel next to our Taipei office in 1988. And he told me, I'm going to China and I'm going to build a 10-line factory by next year. Wow, this was unheard of at the time because factories in Taiwan were all 2 to 4 lines. Albert leased an abandoned military warehouse in Guangzhou and began converting it to a shoe factory. Here's a picture of the Howard Plaza Hotel where Albert and I had lunch that day, and he told me about his plan. And here's a picture of the island which in Guangzhou, which was a military warehouse. He converted these buildings here into shoe production lines. Payless had an opportunity to market a basic woman's pump. Albert configured production lines to efficiently manufacture this item. He established partnerships with component suppliers, shoe boxes, ABS heels. ABS is a kind of hard plastic, steel shanks, midsoles, etc., all the parts that go into shoes. And on-site, these people were on-site to deliver product in real time for high-speed manufacturing. This was a classic woman's pump in polyurethane with a 1-inch heel. It retailed for $9.99 and it was on sale for less. In the short time frame of about 6 months, Haifeng was able to achieve manufacturing on 10 lines, making 30,000 pairs a day. That's right, 30,000 pairs a day. This became one of the most successful shoes Payless ever marketed. And here's a picture of teaching workers the manufacturing process at Haifeng. Here are workers going into the factory. What do you notice about this photo? Well, mostly young women. They're wearing uniforms. They're marching military style, and no one is wearing glasses. Take a look at that. No one wearing glasses. Here's another picture of workers in uniform walking into the factory. Yet another picture. They did this so that it would be organized. You see how the finished product is stacked very neatly so that they could keep them organized. Here's lunch, rice. Can you imagine feeding enough workers to make 30,000 pairs of shoes a day? This is the cafeteria, and you can see the workers parading around, going to their tables and having lunch. They offer dishes from both North and South China to appeal to workers' varied appetites. The workers move in neat lines to facilitate efficiency so everyone gets fed in a short period of time. And that's my colleague, Oliver Ma, standing there. The workers wash their own bowls after their meal. So I'm going to stop here and we'll take it up in the next part.